Hello there, a very good morning to you on this Thursday morning, which is muggy and uncomfortable night last night for many. And today, after a few thunderstorms rumbled on yesterday evening, we will see a few today as well, and they could be torrential. The thunderstorm warning extends from Shetland all the way down across Scotland towards Northern Ireland. Now, we are expecting most places to see some fine and dry weather, but if you catch a thunderstorm, it's likely to be torrential with the risk of thunder, lightning, hail and also some gusty winds. More details about that in a moment. However, into Friday, high pressure builds from the west, so things quieten down for the weekend, although it does turn gusty towards the southwest through Saturday as well as Sunday, and a bit fresher along this east coast as well. For the time being, if you're stepping out first thing, you can see some harl on this east coast of Scotland. One or two showers lurking towards the west there, but for most of Scotland, as well as Northern Ireland, it's a dry morning, a bit more cloud across more southern areas. Now, one or two showers are moving in across Wales, clipping the West Country, but they are fairly scattered. They're high-based as well. For most of England and Wales, it's a fine start to the day, a warm one. Temperatures rising very quickly. The heat wave continues across some parts, helped with that sunshine. So through the morning, not a lot of change. Notice a few showers just towards the east there. We could see one or two of those just clipping the east coast through the morning. Again, though, most places will remain dry through the day. A little more cloud moves in across Wales as well as the Midlands towards eastern counties. A few scattered showers here as thunderstorms blossom through the afternoon across eastern parts of Scotland. Notice these bright echoes or colours, so that could represent some heavier torrential downpours. The winds are fairly light, so they will be slow moving, but they could cluster together to form a longer spell of rain through the afternoon with some high rainfall totals and also the risk of that lightning, gusty winds as well as hail. So here's your warning zone. Temperatures then through the afternoon. Today, probably 24 across Aberdeenshire, the central belt, 23 for Northern Ireland. And then for England and Wales, probably a degree or so lower than yesterday. 28 along this eastern side, 29 for the home counties, mid Wales 26, and towards the West Country 23, 24 degrees Celsius. Winds are fairly light across most parts as we head through today. And as I said, it's going to feel very warm indeed, away from probably the western side of Scotland where things are a little bit fresher. Temperatures are pleasant 19 or 20 Celsius. Those thunderstorms rumble on through the evening. This warning expires at 10 p.m. And then it's a mostly dry night, clear skies across the bulk of the country, a little more cloud across Scotland. And notice then the wind slowly orientates and comes down the eastern side into Friday morning. This will bring the chance of more cloud across northeast England and eastern Scotland. Also more cloud across the far north of Scotland. But if you're stepping out first thing on Friday, it's a dry start to the day. It's a warm one yet again with sunny spells. Now through Friday, not a lot of change. This cloud here will break at times. You could see one or two scattered showers, and eventually the cloud will just stream down towards the north coast of Norfolk through the afternoon. Brighter weather, sunshine elsewhere, and temperatures on the up. We could see 28, 29 for Wales, 31 for the home counties and London, 26 along this east coast of England, but 22 for the northeast of England, 21 for Aberdeenshire, and warmer across western parts of Scotland, probably a 21 or 22. A similar situation for Northern Ireland coming in the low 20s as well. For Wales, you could see a 28, but warmer still into the weekend. In fact, through the weekend, the highest temperatures will always be towards more western areas where we'll see more in the way of sunshine. Further east, temperatures probably the low 20s, that cloud coming and going, but strong sunshine further west. And here are your temperatures on Saturday, 21 or 22 across the north as well as the east coast, and those temperatures rising into the high 20s further west. See you later.